Hey, beauty lovers, let's talk about skincare tools. You know, those brushes, rollers, and stones that help us achieve that radiant glow. They're amazing, right? But here's the thing. Just like our skin needs cleansing, so do our tools. Think about it. We use these tools on our face, where dirt, oil, and bacteria hang out. If we don't clean our tools regularly, they become a breeding ground for all that nasty stuff. Imagine using a dirty brush on your face. Yikes. Clean tools are essential for healthy skin. They prevent breakouts and irritation, ensuring that your skincare routine is as effective as possible. Plus, they just feel nicer to use. There's nothing like the feeling of a fresh, clean brush or roller gliding over your skin. So let's dive into the how-to of keeping your skincare tools sparkling clean. It's easier than you might think, and your skin will thank you for it. First, gather all your tools. You'll need some gentle soap or a specialized cleaner and warm water. Next, rinse each tool thoroughly, making sure to remove all the soap. Pat them dry with a clean towel and let them air dry completely. Regular cleaning will keep your tools in top condition and your skin looking its best. Happy cleaning! Imagine this. You're excited to use your favorite face brush. You've already cleansed your skin. You're ready for that smooth, exfoliated feeling. But wait, your brush is covered in leftover product and bacteria from last week. Yikes! Using dirty tools is like inviting trouble to your face. Bacteria love to multiply on damp surfaces. When you use a dirty tool, you're transferring all that bacteria directly onto your skin. This can lead to breakouts, inflammation, and even infections. And nobody wants that, so let's make sure our tools are as clean as our skin. Cleaning your skincare brushes is super important. It's actually quite easy. Regular cleaning helps to remove dirt, oil, and bacteria that can accumulate over time. This not only keeps your skin healthier, but also extends the life of your brushes. First, rinse your brush under lukewarm water. This helps to loosen up any makeup residue and prepares the bristles for a deeper clean. Make sure to get the bristles wet. Avoid getting water on the handle as it can loosen the glue over time. Next, apply a gentle cleanser to the bristles. A gentle cleanser ensures that the bristles remain soft and effective. You can use a mild soap or a brush cleanser. Both options work well to break down oils and makeup. Work the cleanser into the bristles using your fingers. Be gentle but thorough to ensure all the makeup is removed. Rinse the brush thoroughly under running water. Make sure no soap residue remains as it can irritate your skin. Squeeze the bristles gently to remove excess water. This helps the brush to dry faster and maintain its shape. Finally, lay the brush flat on a clean towel to air dry. This prevents any water from seeping into the handle. Make sure the bristles are hanging over the edge of the counter to prevent water damage to the handle. Proper drying ensures your brushes stay in great condition for longer. Section 4. Sparkling stones and rollers, jade, and gua sha care. These ancient beauty tools have been cherished for centuries, and for good reason. Jade rollers and gua sha stones are amazing for lymphatic drainage and reducing puffiness. They help to stimulate blood circulation and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. But just like brushes, they need regular cleaning. Keeping them clean ensures they remain effective and safe to use on your skin. After each use, wipe your jade roller or gua sha stone with a damp cloth. This simple step helps to remove any surface impurities. This removes any product residue or oil. It's important to do this to prevent any buildup that could affect your skin. Once a week, give them a deeper clean. This helps to maintain their longevity and ensures they stay hygienic. Mix a few drops of gentle soap with warm water. Make sure the soap is mild to avoid any damage to the stones. Dip a soft cloth into the soapy water and gently wipe down your tools. Be thorough but gentle to avoid scratching the surface. Rinse them thoroughly with clean water. This step is crucial to remove any soap residue. To sanitize, you can spray them with rubbing alcohol. This helps to kill any remaining bacteria. Just make sure to let them air dry completely before storing them. Proper drying prevents any mold or mildew from forming. Section 5. Cleaning no-nos. Avoiding common mistakes. We all want to keep our tools clean, but sometimes we make mistakes. Here are a few things to avoid. Don't use harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals can damage your tools and irritate your skin. Don't soak wooden handles. Soaking wooden handles can cause them to warp or crack. Don't share your tools. Sharing is caring, but not when it comes to skincare tools. Sharing tools can spread bacteria. Section 6. Tool time, maintenance, and storage tips. Proper maintenance and storage can extend the life of your skincare tools. Here are a few tips. Clean your tools regularly. We've said it before and we'll say it again. Store your tools properly. Store your tools in a clean, dry place. Avoid storing them in humid environments like the bathroom. Replace your tools when needed. Brushes and sponges should be replaced every 3 to 6 months. Jade rollers and gua sha stones can last longer with proper care. Section 7. Clean tools, clear skin, the takeaway. Clean skincare tools are essential for healthy, happy skin. By following these simple cleaning and maintenance tips, you can keep your tools in tip-top shape and your skin glowing. Remember, a little bit of care goes a long way, so go ahead and pamper yourself and your tools. Your skin will thank you for it.